2022 का एसएससी कंडक्ट किया गया सारे एग्जाम का ईडीएम और फ्रेजेस से सवाल हम पहले देखते हैं। एसएससी सीएचएसएल टायर 1 2022 का जितना भी क्वेश्चन है। बॉडी एंड सोल, होली एंड एंटियरली, slap on the wrist, a mild punishment, to burn one's finger, to suffer a loss by acting rashly, a shot in the dark, randomly doing something, the outcome of which is unknown, a bull market, which means market where prices are rising, take your eye off the ball, to stop paying attention for a moment, a fish out of water, a person out of a customer environment, to shake in one's soul, to be afraid, to be in two minds in a dilemma. 10. To meet one's Waterloo, to be badly defeated in a contest. Slack off, to ease pressure on something. Pig in a poke, something that is brought without examining properly. Something that is brought without examining properly. Pig in a poke. S in the hole, egg in the hole. A major advantage that one keeps hidden until an idle time. S in the hole. A major advantage that one keeps hidden until an idle time. Over and above, in addition to keep an eye on, to watch over closely, all and sundry, everything without a distinction. Green light, to permit something to proceed. Give cold shoulder, ignore, avoid or be unfriendly towards someone. To twiddle one's thumbs, to be ill. Armed to the teeth, armed to the teeth, fully armed, having many weapons. To sleep like a dog, to sleep soundly. Once in a blue moon, rarely. A purpose of nothing, having no relevance to any previous discussion or situation. Lion's mouth, a dangerous situation. A bolt from the blue, an unexpected event. Neck of the woods, neighborhoods. At daggers drawn with, to be bitterly hostile towards each other. Zero tolerance, a policy of not allowing any violations of a rule or law. Zero tolerance. To bridge the gap, to reduce differences and reconcile. In black and white, in writing. Bite the dust, to die. Blessing in disguise, bad thing that turns out to be good. Pedal to the metal, to go full speed, especially while driving a vehicle. Pedal to metal, to go full speed. High and dry, abandoned. The whole ball of wax, everything, everything. Deadlock, a state in which progress is impossible. Method to my madness, strange or crazy actions that appear meaningless but in the end are done for a good reason. This is called method to my madness. Have people rolling in the iceless. Have people rolling in the iceless. Make an audience laugh uncontrollably. In the flesh, in bodily form. Piece of cake, something which is very simple, easy task. To breast the tape, to win a race. To breast the tape, to win a race. Good grief, an expression of surprise or frustration. Good grief, an expression of surprise or frustration. To jump out of one's skin. To be extremely surprised. Get into hot water. To get in trouble. Pennywise and pound foolish. Careless with large amount but not small. Pennywise and pound foolish. Careless with large amounts but not small. All bark and no bite. Full of talk but law on action. Appeal to Kaiser. Appeal to the highest Kaiser. Appeal to the highest possible authority. Appeal to Kaiser. To make a mountain of a molehill. To give great importance to trifles. A bite at the cherry. An attempt or opportunity to do something. Burn your bridges. To eliminate the possibility of return or retreat. Burn your bridges. To eliminate the possibility of return or retreat. Save your breath. To make an effort that will be futile. A beast of burden. An animal that carries luggage. A beast of burden. An animal that carries luggage. To lose one's head. To lose one's self-control. New kid on the block. Someone new someone new to the group or area. Called new kids on the block. Cast someone adrift. To leave someone without any support or purpose. Cast someone adrift. To take the veil. To become a nun. To the manner born. To do something as though it is coming naturally. Be my guest, please do it. Buy a lemon. To buy something that is much less heavy. Buy a lemon. Buy a lemon. To buy something that is of much less heavy. To miss the bus. To lose an opportunity. To miss the bus. To lose an opportunity. To have a nodding acquaintance. Know somebody something slightly. To play with fire. To take police risk. To play with fire. To take police risk. Backseat driver. A person who offers unsolicited advice. A person who offers unsolicited advice. Backseat driver. As hard as nails. Physically or mentally tough. The whys and wherefores reasons. ये था एसएससी सीएचएसएल टायर 1 का ईडीएम और फ्रेजेस का सवाल. हम देखते हैं एसएससी जीडी 2022 में पूछा गया ईडीएम और फ्रेज. At your neck, at your beck and call, to have absolute control over someone. At your beck and call, to have absolute control over someone. A night owl, a person who prefers to be awake late at night. Bed of roses, a pleasant condition of life. Bag and baggage with all belongings. After one's own heart. After one's own heart. Having likes and dislikes similar to one's own. The whys and wherefores, underlying reason. ये भी पूछा गया था CHSL में. The why and wherefores reason. फिर SSC GD में the whys and wherefores, underlying reason. A snake in the grass, a deceitful person. A deceitful person. To call in question, challenge. In dire straits, very bad situation. A difficult task, a Herculean effort. Steal someone's thunder, to take the credit for something someone else did. This is called steal someone's thunder. Flash in the pan, something that looks promising in the beginning but fails to deliver anything in the end. This is flash in the pan. go the extra mile, do much more than required. Don't go the extra mile means don't do much more than required. An X to grind, personal and selfish reason. An X to grind, personal and selfish reason. Get the picture to understand what's happening. Light at the end of tunnel, something that signals the end of difficult situation. Something that signals the end of a difficult situation. Light at the end of tunnel, end of difficult situation. Fit as fiddle in good health. Fit as a fiddle in good health. Take it with a grain of salt to understand that something is likely to be untrue. Wild goose chase, to do something pointless. Blow one's own trumpet, to praise oneself. Blow one's own trumpet, to praise oneself. Add fuel to the flames, making a bad situation even worse. Add fuel to the flames, making a bad situation even worse. Hang in there. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hang in there. To put spark in one's wheel, to thwart someone in execution of one's design. Lose your marbles to become insane. Bite off more than you can chew. Take on a task that you cannot finish. To be in the doldrums. To be in low and dull spirits. To best thing since sliced bread. The best thing since sliced bread. A really good invention. A Herculean task, a tough job, hand in glove, to be in close association. A Herculean task पूछा गया था, a difficult task फिर पूछा गया है, a Herculean task, a tough job, and in gloves to be in close association. Bounce something off someone, discuss ideas with someone to get their views. Bounce something off someone, discuss ideas with someone to get their views. Raining cats and dogs, a very heavy down. Raining cats and dogs, a very heavy downpour. Level playing field in a fair competition. Level playing field, a very level playing field, a fair competition. Reveal the secret. Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal the secret. In the blink of an eye. Happen fast and in the blink of an eye. Happen fast and instantaneously. An arm and a leg, very expensive. Run on someone's parade, to spoil and ruin a happy moment. Rain on someone's parade, to spoil and ruin a happy moment. Miss the boat, fail to take advantage of an opportunity. Miss the bus, भी हो सकता है. Hang in the balance, remains undecided. Hang in the balance, remains undecided. Born to pick, having a complaint that needs to be discussed. Born to pick, having a complaint that needs to be discussed. Hit the sack, to go to bed in order to sleep. Out of the woods, not in danger. On the wall, aware of any changes or development and quick to react to them. On the wall. Break the bank, to very expensive. To be very expensive, break the bank. Bear a grudge, to feel angry against somebody's for past incident. Get pressure, person who enters an event without any invitation get crushed. A person who enters an event without an invitation promised the earth, promised an impossible thing. Promised the earth, promised an impossible thing. By hook or by crook, by one or the other means. Beat around the bush, speaking vaguely to ever talking about it. Beside oneself, feeling overwhelmingly fear or worry. An open book, straightforward and honest. An open book person, straightforward and honest person. Risk life and limb in danger of death or serious injury. Throw caution to the wind, ignore the risk. Hold your horses, be patient. Hold your horses, be patient. Lay hands on, to touch or grasp someone, often with the threat of violence. Child's play, child's play, an easy task, child's play, an easy task. Piece of cakewalk, ये भी आया था suggestion में. A piece of cake, something which is very simple. Child play, wrangle for an ass shadow, argue over petty issues. Wrangle for an ass shadow, argue over petty issues. Snake in the grass, ये भी पूछा गया था. Tricurious person, a deceitful person. Keep an eye on, observe, ये भी पूछा गया था. Observe continually and carefully. Keep an eye on. Took heart, felt encouraged. Bury the hatchet, end a quarrel. Bury the hatchet. Chew someone out, to scold someone, to tease someone. Chew someone out. Burning question, most important issue to be discussed. The pot calling the kettle black. People are guilty of the very fault they identify in others. People are guilty of the very fault they identify in others. Explore all avenues, try out every possibility to get a result. Spinning one's wheel, to make a lot of effort without achieving anything. Spinning one's wheels, to make a lot of effort without achieving anything. A man of means, a wealthy man with lots of money and assets. Grease someone's palm, to bribe one discreetly. Grease someone's palm, to bribe one discreetly. Done for doing. Not fit to hold a candle to, not fit to hold a candle to, cannot to be compared with. Called for, to require something. It takes two or tango. A conflict where both people are at fault. It takes two to tango. A conflict where both people are at fault. Spill the beans. Tell something that should be kept secret. Tell something that should be kept secret. Spill the beans. Back to square one. Having to start all over again. Full of wisdom, an old head on young soldiers. Fish out of water. Not feeling comfortable in a new environment. Let the cat out of the bag to reveal a secret accidentally. Let the cat out of the bag to reveal a secret accidentally. पहले भी पूछा गया है. Spill the beans, tell something that should be kept secret. But let the cat out of the bag to reveal a secret accidentally. So will odds engaging in rebelliousness or promiscuity. Pull yourselves together, calm down. Where the soul pinches, where the difficulty lies. A thorn in the flesh, annoying and irritating. A thorn in the flesh, annoying and irritating. Shod a clean pair of heels. Shod a clean pair of heels. Run away. Silver tongue, speaking with an eloquent expression to convince people. Public enemy number one. Someone who is the greatest threat to a group of community. Face the music. To face the unpleasant consequences of one's action. Royal road achieving something trouble-free. Speak and span to be neat and clean. Speak and span. Blaze the trail to be fast to do something important. Blaze the trail. Keep straight face. Look serious through you want to laugh. At the drop of a hat. Do something immediately without hesitation. At the drop of a hat. Do something immediately without hesitation. On the cars. Probable. In the fast lane, in great excitement. Pennywise and Poundful ये भी पूछा गया था. Careful in trivial matters but wasteful in large. Pennywise and Poundful. Careful in trivial matters but wasteful in large. Be riding high to be very successful. A vicious cycle. When one's problem causes another problem, it's called vicious cycle. Gift of gab, gift of speaking. Pulling someone's leg, teasing and making fun of people. Better the devil you know than the devil you don't. It is easier to be in a non-bad situation than being in an unknown or situation. Will owe the wisp an unrealistic or unattainable goal. White elephant, something that costs a lot of money but has no useful purpose. White elephant, something that costs a lot of money but has no useful purpose. Like oil and water, two people who are different from each other. Like oil and water, two people who are different from each other, like oil and water. A cakewalk, an easy task or victory, has bigger fish to fry, has more important work to do. Start it over again, go back to the drawing board. A wary face, a disappointed look. Be in seventh heaven, to be in seventh heaven. To go through fire and water to face many challenges. To go through fire and water to face many challenges. Taste of your own medicine. Have the same bad treatment that you have given to others. Missed the boat, missed out an opportunity. 40 wings to take short nap. A pineapple's wave, an endless job. An endless job upset the balance. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Have your heart in your mouth, feeling extremely nervous. Have your heart in your mouth, feeling extremely nervous. Head over heels to be madly in love. Head over heels to express openly, the same way. To head over heels to be madly in love. to express openly. A chip on the a chip on one soldier, an attitude that leads one to become easily angered. A chip on one soldier, an attitude that leads one to become easily angered. Bite the bullet to accept difficult or unpleasant situation. A slap on the wrist is small punishment, a mild punishment. A slap, a slap in the wrist, a small punishment. In the long run, in the end. Armed to the teeth, carrying a lot of weapons. A clean slate situation in which you can start again. Judas kiss, deceitful pretense of friendship. Speak and span, clean and neat and clean. Speak and span, clean and organized. On the fence, halting between 2 point options. On the fence, halting between two options. Wear your heart on your sleeves, expressing emotions very openly. To add fuel to fire, to make a bad situation worse. An ox on their tongue, an ox on their tongue, bribed to remain silent. Up a creek without pedal in a troublesome and serious situation. At the last minute, at the 11th hour, get a second wind, have renewed energy after having been tired. ये क्वेश्चन, ये जो इडियम फ्रेजेस पूछा गया है साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट इन इंडिया मेटेरोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट एग्जामिनेशन जो 2022 में कंडक्ट किया गया था. डाउन इन द माउथ अनहैप्पी, थ्रो caution to the wind, take a risk. A brown study, a state of reverie, to let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret. ये बार बार पूछा जाता है. To let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret. In a quandary, confused. Raise the bar, being better than before. The ball is in your coat, to refer the ball is in your coat, to refer to the person who is responsible for the next move. Sitting in shotgun, riding in the front passenger seat of a car. Have at one's fingertips easily or conveniently accessed. Have at one's fingertip easily or conveniently accessed. Done up, exhaust. Turn tail, to run away from difficulty. Turn tail. Jump on the bandwagon, follow a trend, rub a person up the wrong way, annoy or offend a person. Kick the bucket, to die. To bite the dust, to die. Between the devil and the deep blue sea, between two equally unacceptable choices. Under a cloud, in disgrace. A wet blanket, someone who ruins other people's fun. Mumbo jumbo, nonsense or meaningless speech. ये कंबाइंड ग्रेजुएट लेवल एग्जामिनेशन टायर 1 2022 का क्वेश्चन है. Like a cakewalk, easy task, all eyes watching eagerly, in will and woe, in prosperity and adversity. A greenhorn, an experienced person. Bag and baggage, with all of one's possessions. In cold blood, deliberately. A skeleton in the cupboard, an embarrassing fact to be kept secret. Fly into a passion, to become angry suddenly. Break the ice, make people meeting first time feel more comfortable. Beat around the bush, avoid the main point by talking in a roundabout way. To smell a rat, to have reason to suspect. Fair and square, honestly. At an arm's length, at a distance. Cut a poor figure, to put a bad impression. bear the palm, bear the palm, to be a winner, beating about the bush, speaking in confusing manner without giving a correct answer. It's called beating the bush. Hit me below the hand, hit me below the belt. A grave error, Himalayan blunder. Donkey's ear, a very long time. In hot waters, to be trouble. Latin and Greek to the young students. Incomprehensible. Elbow room, little freedom. On the ball, to be alert. Yellow bellies, cowards. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A person who does not settle in one place for a long time does not gain wealth, name or fame. Conspire, plot. Born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Born to riches and luxury. Gesture of peace. An olive branch. Cock and bull story. Wildly exaggerated or falsified story. In full swing, very active. Let the cat out of the bag. To allow a secret to be known, usually without intending to take something at face value, accept something as it looks without thinking about whether it might in fact not be quite what it appears. A fair weather friend, a selfish friend, a all weather friend, a true friend. Guzzle one's brain to think hard, come in handy, be useful, play it by ear to do something without special preparation. On cloud nine, very happy. Someone's heart in the right place. Someone in good even if they sometimes behave in a wrong manner. Someone's heart is in the right place. Someone is good even if they sometimes behave in a wrong manner. Someone's heart is in the right place. Down the tips, falling completely. Put his foot down, refused to yield. Fair weather friends, a person whose friendship cannot be relied on in times. A selfish friend. Greenhorn, inexperienced. Face the music to accept unpleasant consequences. Lose your marbles to go insane. He is sitting on the fence. He cannot take decision. Take with grain of salt, not take too seriously. To and fro, forward and backward. Eat humble pie to apologize humbly. By leaps and bounds swiftly. Red tape, officials, rules and bureaucracy that make it difficult to do something. Red tape. In black and white in writing. Steer clear of, avoid someone or something because it is dangerous for you. Steer clear of. Hold water, appear to be valid, reasonable. Slow and steady, make consistent progress for success. Ins and outs, detailed description. Went peer shaped, went terribly wrong. यह था 2022 का एसएससी कंडक्ट किया गया सारा एग्जाम का इडियम और फ्रेज।